Alright y'all, I am finishing up another knife. It's kind of a different style that, well not style, but different look than what I usually go for. That's pretty much it. I gotta do some more sanding on the handle. If I can find my damn sandpaper. Gotta do some more sanding on the handle, and then it will be finished. I'll oil up the wood. And I'll post a picture. Sunday at 9 p.m. my usual time, I will be doing another knife auction. This will be one of them. I'll have a couple more. One like this, but you know, I like the darker look, so it'd be one of these, one of the others with the darker look on it. I've already got that blank cut out. There it is. I have one of both of these. And another Skinner or two, and then a pretty good announcement on the live stream. If you guys want to be there. If you don't, then that's okay too. I guess I'll be doing one. I don't know if I can find my damn sandpaper. Either way, I'll catch you guys then, and don't forget to share this out, and I'll see you later.